Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.1 question number 1. A square and a rectangular field with the measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? Let us find. Here you see, let us solve this problem. That is, it is given that the perimeter of the square is equal to perimeter of the rectangular field. Right? Right. Now, let's solve it in this way. That perimeter of the square perimeter of the square perimeter perimeter of the square or you can write perimeter of the rectangular field perimeter of the rectangle perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square perimeter it is given perimeter of the square right. Now we know that the perimeter of rectangle, the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. And perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side of a square. 4 into side of the square. Side of a square. Right? Now 2 into length plus b. This is length, this is breadth. It is given that 2. Length is given as 80 meter. And let the breadth be b. Then 80 plus b is equal to 4 into side of a square. So this side of a square is 60 meter. That is 60 meter. Right? Therefore we are getting 80 plus b. Therefore we are getting 80 plus b. B is equal to 240. 4 to 24, that is 240 by 2. You divide this one 22. 202, 2 to the 4, that is 0. Or you can write b is equal to 120 minus 80 meter. 120 minus 80, that is equal to 40 meter. 40 meter. So we find that the breadth of this rectangle is 40 meter, right? If we write here as 40 meter, this is as 40 meter. 40 meter, right? We got the breadth as 40 meter. Now area of a square, we'll find the area of the square. Here, area of the square is equal to area. Here you will find the area of the square. Area of the square. Area of the square. Area of the square. Area of the square is equal to side into side. Area of the square is equal to side into side or side square. Side square. Area of the square is side square. And here you see the side is given as 60 meter. Therefore 60 meter into whole square. That is we are getting 60 meter. 60 meter whole square. That is we are getting 6 is 36. 36 meter square. Right? Now we'll find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Therefore, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle area of the rectangle is equal to area of the rectangle. We know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth is equal to length into breadth. Now length is given as, the length is 80 meter. Length is 80 meter and breadth is, we found it to be 40 meter into 40 meter, 40 meter. You multiply this one, is 4 it is 32, 0 meter square. Here you see that which field here has a larger area. We see that area of the square has a larger area than that of rectangle. Therefore, we can say that the area of the square, area of the square, area of the square, area of the square has a larger area, has a larger area than that of rectangle, that of the rectangle, of the rectangle, of the rectangle. Right? Again, you are saying that it is given that perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square. Right? Perimeter of the rectangle is known as 2 into length plus breadth is equal to perimeter of the square is 4 into side of the square. That is 2 into 80 is length and b is taken b as breadth. 80 plus b is equal to 4 into 60. Therefore, we are getting b as 40 meter. Therefore, b is breadth is 40 meter. Right? The area of the square is side square. That is 60 into 60. That is 36 square meter square. And area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is 80 meter and 40 meter. That is 3200 meter square. Therefore, you can say that area of the square has a larger area than that of the rectangle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.